In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your memories to your story on Facebook, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and how to give your throwback a quick polish before you post it. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon. Its location can vary slightly depending on your device and app version, but you'll usually find it in a corner of the screen. Tap that to open a list of Facebook sections. From there, scroll until you see Memories and tap it. This is the place where Facebook groups your on this day moments, past photos, posts, and highlights so you can revisit them. Take a moment to browse through and find the memory you want to share. You'll see the original post, photo, or video along with its date, which can help you confirm you've got the right one. When you've found the memory you want to reshare, tap the share option associated with that memory. This brings up ways you can share it. Because we want it to appear as a story, choose Share to Story. That option will pull the memory into Facebook's story editor so you can customize how it looks before it goes live. Now you're in the editor. This is where you can make quick enhancements but keep it light so the memory stays the star. Add text if you want to caption the moment or add context, like why it still matters to you today. You can also place stickers for a bit of personality or fun and select music to match the mood of the throwback. Pinch to resize your photo or text, drag elements to reposition them, and adjust colors to keep everything readable. If your text overlaps important parts of the photo, move it to a corner and pick a contrasting color or a subtle background to improve visibility. Give everything a quick glance to make sure it looks the way you want. When you're happy with the preview, tap Share to Story to publish. Your memory will be added to your Facebook story and will appear at the top of the feed for your friends to view for the usual story duration. If you don't see the share option on a particular memory, it may be due to how the original post was shared or the type of content in that memory. That's it. Open Facebook, go to Memories, pick the moment, choose Share to Story, make a few simple edits, and post. Enjoy bringing a favorite moment back to life for everyone to see.